Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Doctor Who is set for a shakeup as Jodie Whittaker is reportedly leaving after playing the lead role for 3 years. With the show keen to regenerate once again, the first female Time Lord will return to screens for one more series in autumn 2021 before making her departure.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Reasons cited for the show's continued demise include bad writing, poor acting, and its woke approach. Fans at Rotten Tomatoes continue to slam the series as it only has a 13% audience score. Another longtime fan of the show chimed in, "The new Doctor Who is a big disappointment."
Take our lead.
Bradley, who played Graham O'Brien in Doctor Who, previously opened up about his reasons for leaving the BBC program, explaining that the lengthy filming schedules eventually took their toll. "We have great fun doing it.
Take our lead.
David Tennant is set to reprise his Doctor Who role alongside father-in-law Peter Davison. Tennant, 49, and Davison, 69, will both return as the character for a new audio special set to bring back past incarnations of the Time Lord over the coming year.
Take our lead.
Huddersfield accent. Whittaker speaks in her native Huddersfield accent when playing her version of the Time Lord. "Why in the world did you pick a different accent?" she asked her host, who played the Doctor from 2005 to 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Presenter of Sunday BAFTA ceremony, Richard Ayoade is also in the running at odds of 9/1. Another contender to replace Jodie is It's a Sin star and Years frontman, Ali Alexander, after being singled out by John Barrowman as the perfect candidate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ali Alexander. Ali Alexander, the pop singer and actor who this year shone brightly in the Russell T Davies drama It's a Sin, is reportedly set to be the next lead in Doctor Who. On Sunday The Sun said Alexander was thrashing out final details with the BBC to succeed Jodie Whittaker and become the 14th Doctor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.